It's about to be an experience of a lifetime out here, you feel me?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I wake up, the car is smoking. What it do? Baby, we are back with another Car Chronicles. Hold up, I got to hit it. I'm getting better with it. Hold up. Hold up. Bow. Bow. I'm going to talk about what happened at Rolling Loud. Right? But this, I'm not going to include like the extra days. Like, this is why I wasn't recording, because it was literally like crazy. Like, our luck was horrible. Okay, let's start off. Okay, so this is the first day of Rolling Loud. Rolling Loud started Friday the 10th, and I think it ended the 12th. So, like, we pre-gaming, boom, boom. So we hit the, we driving, boom, boom, we driving, hit the highway, right? So, I fall asleep, because I was tired. I wake up, the car is smoking, and I'm thinking, this is it, you feel me? You know what I mean? I'm down Miami, this is my last rites, you feel me? I'm going to heaven, you know what I'm saying? Just like that, you feel me? I ain't even get a chance to, you know what I mean, experience Rolling Loud, and I'm going to the upper room. The engine overheated. We got a car from Turo or something like that, and it had the check engine light on and whatever, but the car was smoking. So we on the side of the highway. People are looking at us, laughing at us. First off, we was chilling in the car. It was hot as I don't know what. If you went to Rolling Loud, I'm pretty sure y'all seen us on the highway. If y'all went to Rolling Loud, like y'all was on the highway around like 6, 5-ish, 7-ish, y'all seen us on the other side of the highway. Our car broke down smoking. You feel what I'm saying? That was us. You feel me? So we like, man, we might miss the whole joint. We discussing like they discussing with the dude that gave us the rental, like, what are we gonna do? Like, how are we gonna get out of this? You know what I'm saying? He couldn't really do nothing. We had to get rid of the car. So, but we was on the left side of the highway. You know, the left side of the highway ain't nothing over there. Right side of the highway was grass and a gate and stuff like that. But we said, you know what I mean, let's see if we can, you know what I mean, turn this bad boy on and get to the other side of the month, you know what I mean, get to the other side of the road. So we turn the car back on, hit, slide, merge right back in, get to the other side of the highway where it's, oh my fault, goddamn potholes almost broke my equilibrium. So we just dropped the car off on the right side of the road, and we just sitting there like, mind you, we have a whole bottle of Ciroc in the car, like, just there, like, and you can't take it into the festival. We just gonna leave it in the car, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, it's Rolling Loud, like, we gotta, you know what I mean, you gotta get lit. We had to leave the car. I was our way of turning in the rental. We left the car there. I see my cousin, he walking like next to the gate. He walking next to the gate. I'm trying to figure out, I'm thinking it's a hole in the gate, because mind you, we seen girls run from the gate to to the highway and just hop in the car. So we assuming it's like a little hole in the gate. Out of nowhere, like, I'm talking with the other people I'm with, out of nowhere, my cousin just disappeared. And I look and I'm like, oh, he on the other side of the gate. I'm like, what the how did it must be a hole in there. So we get the break. We get the breaking. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? We get the breaking. To see, like, oh, it must be a hole on this other side of the gate. We get to the other side. He like, yeah, clone the gate, but be careful, it's barbed wire. What? Mind you, listen, I haven't climbed the gate in years, you feel what I'm saying? I mean, I haven't been, you know what I mean, when I was in the city, I was climbing the gate. But listen, I haven't climbed the gate in years. I'm afraid of heights, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't that high, but I'm just, that's not the point. I climbed first, after he already hopped over. I climbed first. It was a tree, so like, the tree was like, kind of like the way to avoid the barbed wire. So I get to, you know what I mean, I channel my inner, you know what I mean, I channel everything. I channel, you know what I mean, my inner. What? I don't know, whatever. So I get on the gate. I get at the top of the gate. I see that barbed wire. I'm like, yo, I'm hoping I don't slip, and then just cut up my hand. So I get to the top of the gate. I had to shimmy my way over the gate. Listen, mind you, before even the trip started, everybody was we had a challenge where it was like we banged up 100 push-ups every day for a month, or until like Rolling Loud. I think Rolling Loud was until, so we just banging 100 push-ups every day. So I guess that was like training for like that situation right there. In the vlog before when I touched down in Miami, you can see it. It's a clip. I'm probably gonna upload it. It's a clip where I clearly said it's gonna be a memorable experience. Rolling Loud, man. It's gonna be crazy. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Rolling Loud is about to be crazy, man. But it's about to be an experience of a lifetime out here. You feel me? Oh.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I obviously said it was gonna be a memorable. Alright. I obviously said it was gonna be a memorable experience. It definitely was. Had to catch an Uber from the other side of the fence to get to Rolling Loud. Got to Rolling Loud. Had to ditch the Ciroc bottle because there was no way we was getting it into the venue. Listen, whoever got that Ciroc bottle, they was blessed, because it was like at least we only took like probably five sips of it. It was a whole like, I don't think it was 32 ounces of, I don't drink alcohol like that, so I don't know I don't know the specifics of the size. It was a big bottle of Ciroc, alright? So whoever found that Ciroc, listen. Hey, I mean the stars aligned for you. You feel me, player? So back to the story. That was the first day. We ended up getting there. Oh my God, it's traffic. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, first night. Got there late. We got there mid Yachty set. I caught a little bit of it. I still got it. I'm gonna probably upload all the sets. I had to go see Kid Trunks. And then come on, this bus better let me over. Come on, dog. I'm right here. I swear to God, if this bus hit my car, all hell breaking loose. Okay, yeah. So we came in mid Yachty set. It was cool, boom. I had to see Kid Trunks. Then I went to see the baby. I had to go see the baby for sure. Cause that's my favorite artist so far right now. So I went to see the baby, right? Everything was cool, boom, until he threw the fake weed. Listen, I didn't know it was gonna get crazy. Listen, I don't even smoke, but I ran towards the weed. I ain't gonna lie to you. Listen, I ran towards the weed. You feel me? He said he had like 100 pounds, 10 pounds, one of them, 15. I don't remember. He threw them Ziploc bags of grass. Siri, I did nothing. Siri, nothing.
I'm afraid I can't search the web while you're in the car.
So, back to what I was saying. Yeah, when he threw the fake weed, listen, it was tremendous. And when I tell you it was tremendous, listen, it was like a damn stampede to get that fake grass, or to get the actual grass. Like, it was crazy, like crazy. Day two was fine. Like, everything went peachy and fine. Everything went smooth. But at Airbnb, our toilet clogged. So it was like we had to wait to get it fixed. Like, we missed a lot of artists because our toilet was clogged. Like, we didn't even know we was gonna make it. And that was the day of Travis Scott. Well, actually, I ain't a big fan of Travis Scott. I'm not gonna say like I don't like him. He's a great artist. He's without a doubt. But I'm not like you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But got the toilet fixed. Then we was back. We was back in action. We got there late. The second night, it was just like a random part where Travis, like, it was like kind of, it wasn't an intermission, but it was an intermission. Like, he was lowering like the spaceship or something. Out of nowhere, I look to my right. It's people gunning. You feel what I'm saying? They get the busting it. I don't know if it's a shooter, a dog. Listen, I don't know. Listen, I don't know who was out that mother. You know what I mean? I don't know what was going on. I just get the gunning. And then like Travis Scott started performing again. So Travis Scott started performing again, but we watching that from a distance. Cause it's like, nah, forget that. I don't even want to go back in there. You feel what I'm saying? We watching from a distance. So out of nowhere, even from a distance, like, but out of nowhere, another, you know what I mean, people started gunning it again. So, and this is from a different angle, and this was like, okay, I'm not trying to get trampled, so I got to, mind you, I have a frozen lemonade in my hand. I wasn't dropping that frozen lemonade, but nothing. You know how much that lemonade cost? That lemonade cost $8. For some frozen, it was good. It was good. It was good. But for $8 for a frozen lemonade, I'm not, come on, dog. Listen, I was out there, you feel what I'm saying? I'm out there breaking it. Not once did I lose a drop or a shaving of ice out of that icy. You feel what I'm saying? It stayed together like T.I. hat. You feel what I'm saying? Like that happened, and then Sunday was like a storm. Sunday was the NBA YoungBoy got shot at or something. Sunday was the day NBA YoungBoy got shot at, and it started storming that day. Like, it was crazy. Like, so we was just chilling in the house, and that was the day Kid Cudi performed too. So we only was able to catch Uzi, and another thing that threw me off was when Uzi was like, y'all ready to hear my album or something like that? And then he said, bye.
I said, y'all ready for my album? Okay, bye. Repeat after me. When I say Uzi, you.
First off, wait a minute. I'm thinking it's a joke. I'm thinking he about to go into another song. He really meant bye. Like, he really meant bye, I'm gone. So we ended it with Kid Cudi. You know what I mean? That's all I can say. I really didn't get the full effect of Rolling Loud because it was so much that was going on. Like, our luck was horrible, but it was like I can tell my kids, like, yo, when I went to Rolling Loud, I had to climb a barbed wire fence. You know what I mean? Duck bullets. You know what I mean? Gators was snakes. You know what I'm saying? I had to duck under the fence. I got cut from. You know what I'm saying? I can finesse the story just to like, my dad is cool. You know, I'm type. All in all, would I go back to another Rolling Loud? You already know we gonna run that back, Turbo.